Well, here we got 61 Impala, and I know I'm pretty sure I did this car before, but I love this car. You know, I think actually in 61, I think this car has a lot more in it than a 65 or a 64. You know, a lot of people don't realize, even, you know, relative to today, like say for instance you were looking at a 65 Chevy, they got a lot bigger back then, you would think, oh wow, that car's got so much more attention to detail than they have today. But even from the 61 to 65, 61 had a lot more in it. So you look at that steering wheel too. That steering wheel was shaped so you could see the instrumentation on there a lot better. Which, you know, today they would just stamp out a piece of plastic and they'd be done with it. Dual antennas, and you know, I'm not sure. Sometimes, you know, there's a history behind why there's chrome pieces like that. Usually, you take styling cues from other cars. By this year, the fins were gone. 59, they had the cat eye fins. I always liked those too, man. 59s, either you like them or you hate them, you know. But I like the 59s too. But this one, I like the 61 better than the 62, 63, 64, 65, 60, and all the way up. I mean, to tell you the truth, I like the 61 better than any of the Impalas. I like the 62 still nice, 63, 64, then they got big. I don't really like them after that. But I'd still take a 65 or 6 or 8 or 9 over anything today. But the 61 was nice, the way it's, you know, it's all blends in there, the way they... And, you know, people were making these things out of clay before they made this. You know, every year they're changing the body style. They had to make this whole thing out of clay. There was no computers and CAD-CAM drawing and all this other garbage, right? So, and I kind of like this color too, man. It's well, let's say kind of like it. I like it. It's like a bronze, copper color. I guess that's the best word for copper. It's copper color. Copper, and you can see the interior pretty much. It goes with. It's got the tan interior with the tan insert inside. I guess that's what it really makes it, because everything just blends together. So. Love this thing.